how to create Binance Web3 wallet. So if you want to create a Binance Web3 wallet, then first you just need to open up your Binance application. Open up your Binance. Once you open your Binance, now you will have this kind of interface, right? Now to create a Binance Web3 wallet, you need to go for the upper left, which has that settings or the profile option. And once you're here, you need to go for Web3 wallet. So here on the first option, you will have Web3 wallet, or you may have recommendations, and under recommendations, you may have the Web3 wallet. So let me tell you one thing, that before trying to create a Web3 wallet, you just need to verify your identity. So I have not verified my identity. So if you have verified, then you will be able to create. But if you have not, then first you need to verify your identity and you will be able to create. So simply go and verify your identity. Once you're verified, you need to simply tap on Web3 wallet. And once you tap on it, on the bottom of your screen, you will be able to have create wallet. Simply tap on create wallet, and within a few seconds, your wallet will be created. So that's how you can create your Binance Web3 wallet. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.